Hello students, this is a journal for physics subject or a practical book. So here you have name, course and subject. You will write this batch and register number. Write this first and put a cover, plastic cover. Okay, you will get one page here. Okay, so leave this page. You have certification page here. So in this certification page you have exam number here, that you will write letter. Registered number means your roll number here. Here date of submission, at the end you will write, not now. Here you will write your name, and here first year, and here your year 2020-21. Okay, so after this you will have the index page. This is your index page. Once again you will write your name, here class, here roll number, here experiment number. After writing one experiment, leave one line. Don't write 1 2 3 4 continuously. One, leave one line, then write second, then leave one line, then write third. Date of experiment, on which date you perform which experiment, that you will write, that date you will write here. And here title of the experiment, name of the experiment, that you will write here. If it is not this space is not sufficient, then you will come here and you will write on the second line. And here page number, you will write the page number from where to where, means it begins with which page number and ends on which page number, that you will write. Suppose it starts with third page number and it is ending on fifth, then 3-5, 3 to 5. Okay, so after this I go here. Okay, so this is your blank journal. Leave this page. Here you will write, here you will write name of the experiment, after that aim of the experiment, then principle on this page, aim, then principle, then apparatus, then formula, all these. And after writing this formula you will mention the terms here. Okay, so which terms are present in that formula and what do they mean. After writing this page, you will not go on next page, you will come here on this plain paper. On this plain paper, here you will write observation. If you don't have observation, then no need to write. After observation you will write the diagram. You will write the diagram here, and after diagram you will write the tabular column. You will draw the tabular column and fill the values in the tabular column. While drawing the tabular column, you will only use sys. Okay, so not by pen, but while entering the values you will use the pen. And after this you will turn this, and here you will do the calculation. Okay, so here you will do the calculation, and here on this page you will write the procedure. Okay, here you will write the procedure, and end of this page you will write the result. Even though procedure gets complete here, then also you will write the result here. Don't write here, at the end of this page you will write. Okay, here is a specimen copy for you. Here experiment number 1, vernier calipers. Okay, so here aim, apparatus, procedure, this is the procedure, result you will write. Okay, so next, here you have the, on this plain paper you have the diagram. This is the diagram. Here observation you will write, and after observation you will draw the tabular column and you will fill the values here. Okay, next here you will do the calculation. Okay, so calculation you will do on this plain paper. On ruled paper you will write aim, apparatus, if principle is there you will write the principle, procedure, and what, result. If procedure is lengthy and it is not sufficient in this page, then you will complete here, and after this you will turn this page and you will continue on the next ruled page. Don't continue here on the plain paper. Understood? If you have any queries or doubts, please call me and then start to write. Okay. Thank you.